Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a free and unlimited coding terminal agent which offers free AI models. It's called as OpenCode. If you directly search it on Google, it's really popular if you directly type OpenCode on Google. So it's completely open source, it's available on GitHub right here. You can download this as an IDE or terminal agent. It's got almost 189,000 GitHub stars. So this is their official website, opencode.ai. So for installing this as a terminal agent, you directly copy this command, or you can also npmi-g opencode-ai for globally installing it. This is the most easy way. Simply copy this command. I have already installed it. So once you install this, the interface will look something like this. So this is OpenCode. And now to see the models which they are offering for free, if you directly type slash models and simply search in the search bar free. These are all the free models that they are offering, which is Laguna, North, Minicode, Nemotron, DeepSeek, Mimo, Gemini, 2.5 Flash. So these are more than enough to actually get started and build out some quality full stack coding applications. So I will show you in this video. This is, let me use this one, which is Mimo 2.5. It's a free model. You don't need to pay anything for this, so it's completely free and unlimited. So I'm just asking a simple message, hi. So it will respond to me. So then we will be building some applications as well. So you can see it actually thinking about this, and now, then it will respond to you. So you can see that. So now let me just build out a simple application. So I will simply say build a image to PDF web app in browser and create the index.html file. So I simply written the prompt here. I wanted this application just create an index.html file. So now this will create the file for us. Let me open this directory in Visual Studio Code. So you can see that initially that directory is empty, and now this AI is creating the application for us. It also offers an IDE as well, which you can directly install inside your desktop. It's in beta version. I've already installed it, so it's an exe file that you want to install this. The interface is also quite simple. You can use the terminal agent or user interface, this IDE version as well. So for IDE, if you go to their page right here, for installing this, it's quite simple. It's a desktop app. It's in beta version, so you can go to the releases section or simply go to opencode/download. You can download their desktop app for Windows. So this is the desktop app here. Again, if you search for all these free models, this will be present. Let me select the DeepSeek model right here and simply ask a question. So you will see that it is now building it. So what features should the image to PDF include? Basic, advanced, or fully featured? Let me select fully featured and just answer these questions so that it is actually understanding your requirements. So want a full featured application, we want a single HTML file, and we want this library to be used, JS PDF. So now it will start constructing this application for you. Once it completes, you will get a notification. So this is completely free and unlimited, guys. These free models, which makes it totally free. I'm using it for past 6 weeks, and let me just type there full stack React PDF editor in browser. So I simply written the prompt here, and now the AI will start developing this application for you. So it will ask you some questions. So just ask, want a full backend? which library you want to use. So let me use this one. So after answering all these questions, now it will build a full stack React PDF editor. So once it completes, you will see the notification coming. So this is similar. I prefer the terminal agent, which is little bit more faster. So confirm all these changes. After that, it will start developing this application for you. So it will divide the task into various stages as you see. Automatically, it will create the necessary files by opening your terminal and executing the commands directly in the background. So it's really powerful, fully automated, and so you can see that it's now developing this index.html file here, writing the file. So in both the scenarios, we are using the free models, which are more than enough for you to actually get started. If you don't want to spend any kind of money, this alternative is quite good. And as you can see, it created this PDF editor directory and it created this client. And one by one, it will create the components, context, everything. This is your backend. It created all the project directory right here, everything. And once it gets completed, you will get the notification. It will start the application for you. And similarly for this as well. So it is writing the file for you. First of all, it actually researches and give you this short little description what will the application will look like. So now it is creating this comprehensive index.html file. So as you see, all the source code has been written and the file was written successfully. So this is your file which was written as you see. Almost 320 lines of code. So it's building out your application and then automatically will do. So it generated this description, what the application is looking like. So you can see that. So it also tells you the instructions to run the file. So open the file in any modern browser. So we can directly open this project in the browsers to actually look like how the application looks like. So it's an image to PDF editor. So in the meantime, it's actually developing this application. So you can see that the application looks very simple, image to PDF. From here you will drop your images, simply select the options of the PDF and then so you can see that. So from here you drop your images, click on download PDF. So everything is working inside this application. So if you face still any kind of issues, you can actually ask follow-up questions. It will fix the error for you. So definitely try this, guys. This terminal AI coding agent is really insane. You can build out any kind of application. And for using another other premium AI models, you do need to subscribe to their plan. But I think that these free models that I showed you is more than enough. If you are a beginner and looking forward for a free and unlimited agent, you can use these. But if you're looking forward for premium agents, you can connect your provider as well. So all these models are there. You can connect your provider, paste your API key for OpenAI, Anthropic. All the providers are available for you. You need to just get the API ID and then get started. So it's an all-in-one good terminal AI coding agent. Definitely try this. Simply install your desktop app or terminal AI coding agent.